How to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Log into the account you want to delete. Then click on your account on bottom right corner. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Google account. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down till you find Remove a Google service. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Verify it's you, or simply you will need to add your Google password. After it's done, you'll find YouTube in here. Click on Delete YouTube. Select I want to permanently delete my content. Make sure there's tick mark in the following will be permanently deleted and any paid subscription. After that, simply click on delete my content and your account will be deleted. This is how to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.